Welcome to Tateiwa-Sigen. So, right here I was thinking that I would say my thanks to the water god over here and have myself a drink. The water of Tateiwa turns into this beautiful river that you see right before me. The waterfall of Tateiwa. Not the most impressive waterfall, but it's very pretty and I like it very much. Welcome to Waita Onsen Village. It's actually what you could call a natural steam cooker. As you see, steam is coming up from the middle, so the locals, they put vegetables and other food here to steam. The villagers, the local people, have actually decided to invest in using this resource, the steam, to build a geothermal power plant. We're about to arrive at the observatory at Mount Tango. Not the dancing sort of tango. Here we are. And I bought myself some Aso milk. It's made from dairy cows brought up here in Aso in this awesome environment. So it must taste good. Oh my god, I should have shaken it. And here we have it. The true highlight of Mount Tango. It's really something else, right? Okay friends, we have arrived at a new place. This is called Camida Bokuya. Bokuya, it's pasture lands, so it's a place for cows to graze. And we have arrived at the wind farm of Camida Bokuya. Some steaming hot coffee. Cheers. Hachi. Sorry, Japanese there. Welcome to the hill of Utsuichi. This is one of the most famous spots in Minami-Oguni. And here we are at the top. And as I told you, there are more to this place than only rocks and ancient symbols.